And a state of emergency is in effect there tonight, with strong winds, heavy rains,
Hurricane
and potentially
Hillary
life-threatening
should
flooding.
have been on Trump ass like this.
We want you to be safe. With potentially dangerous weather conditions on the horizon, including high winds and flooding.
You never rain
Video
in
from the International Space
Southern
Station shows the powerful storm
California.
churning in the Pacific, already impacting
Don't
parts of
say
Mexico.
what it will
Hillary
or
now
it will
headed
not
towards
do
Southern
no more.
California. Tropical storm warning in effect for Los Angeles and San Diego.
What we know for certain is that there will be sustained
It can
high
be in
winds
your
up to 50
community
miles per hour, and
tomorrow.
that there will be enough
You better
rain to
fix
flood
your damn
outlying
heart.
areas. We continue to ask people to shelter in place during the storm.
God is speaking from Frisco to Maine, all the way to Hawaii. Can you hear His voice?
We're just preparing for the Hurricane Hillary that's coming into.
Well, you can't do nothing about God's word. But get out the way. He can knock all that shit down. Your money will be obsolete. Better fix your heart and get closer to God.